Hey everybody, how you doing? Everybody out there in the YouTube world or in the world, all over the world. This video is about tinnitus, and I know there's a lot of people who suffer from it. I'll tell you what happened to me. I don't know, just I was on a antibiotic called Keflex, and like I said, I don't know if this started it, but I was taking that for like 7 days or whatever, and then I noticed after it, I had a ringing in my ears. I don't know if that caused it. I don't know. I go to bed. I go to bed really late sometimes too. So then my ears were ringing really loud. Woke up one day and I never had it. Like never had it ringing in my ears. And so it's still a little bit right now, but not as much as it was when I first had it. So I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube who talk about tinnitus relief, and some of them, hey, who knows? I don't know if they work or not. Dropping onion juice in your ears. I don't want to put onion juice in my ear. Spinach juice or whatever it is. I mean, I'll eat the wall. There's one where you can eat almonds. Eat almonds and drink warm milk. If that works, try that. But I wouldn't suggest putting onion juice in your ears, man. That's gonna make it worse. That might even give you an infection. Don't do that. This homeopathic stuff, you know. Let me tell you something. The most people on here are for money. They want your money. Me, I don't want your money. I don't need your money. All I want to do is help. So I'm going to give a few pointers, tips, just to, see what can help, just take it down wherever you want. Now, the first thing is, the ring is annoying. We all know that, okay? I had it really loud where you can't hear anything almost. I mean, it just makes you angry. It depresses you. You don't want to do that. I was suppressed for days when it was at its loudest. Okay, now it's a little lower, and I'm going to tell you things that I did to help it. I don't want your money, okay? This is to help my fellow people all over, everywhere, every human being. I don't care who you are. This is for everyone. We're all one, and I don't want your money. So everybody that has the videos on there for money, haha, I'm gonna do one for free. First things first. All right, you wanna get to the bottom of the root of it, the root. Now you got to figure out why is this happening to me. Now they say it could be age, it could be poor sleep, it could be diabetes, the sugar they call it, diabetes. It could be low vitamins. Okay, could be inner ear problems. A sinus. So these are all things that you can uh, look at. You know what I mean? So you look at these things and try to identify what it is. Now I know it's hard to check them all. It's like a car. You have a problem with your car. You could check 50 million things and you won't find the one problem. So first things first. Are you taking vitamins? Are you eating right? Okay, that's a good question right there, right? Then, are you sleeping enough? Are you going to bed too late and waking up not getting the right sleep? That can make your ears ring too. I'm going to tell you because I used to do not all nighters, but I would stay up really late, and I'd be up and I'd struggle to sleep, and I couldn't, and my ears would start ringing. I noticed that, but it would go away. Now I got lucky. Now when you start staying up, you got a problem. You got a problem. You can't sleep. So the first things first. If you have a problem sleeping, and you might think that might be it, there's a pill. What do you call it? You can get this at any store, CVS, Walmart, or whatever. It's called melatonin, and that helps you sleep. Because your body produces it. But if something's wrong, you have a deficiency, you could take melatonin, and it'll help you sleep. So I've been taking melatonin. All right, magnesium. All right, magnesium. They say zinc if you're low on zinc. Riboflavin. Whatever. Right now, all I've been doing is the melatonin and the magnesium. All right, the niacin. The niacin and riboflavin. You can take them extra too. It's not gonna hurt you. All right. So now you can do that. All right. Now, if it's diabetes, check your sugar. Check it often. All right. If it's diabetes, you can get the ringing in the ears too, and you won't even realize it. You could be a diabetic, and you need to get on pills, or depends on how bad you're on. You might need the needle. I don't know, but get yourself checked. Check your levels. Check your sugar. Make sure your vitamins are up to date. You know what I mean? Check your inner ear. You could have fluid in your ear, because I had fluid in my ear. I think that might have been it. Like I said, it could have been the antibiotic. It could be the fluid. could be anything. Could be diabetes. So I'm cracking down. I'm knocking each one down. So I've been taking the magnesium, been taking the melatonin. I had to start some medicine for diabetes, okay, metformin, and that. So with the combination of attacking each thing, just imagine attacking a big block of ice, and you got 12 people with ice picks chopping at it. You got to attack each angle. Don't just sit there and take the pain. You got to do something. Have your ears checked. Have your stuff checked. Have your sinuses checked, your ears, your vitamins. Check yourself what you're taking, what kind of vitamin intake you're taking. Your digestive. How you digest your food and your vitamins. You may be missing something. You're going to bed late. You may be missing something. Like I was. I take the melatonin now. The ringing had gone down. It's tolerable. It's very, very low now, and it was very, really loud. Very loud. So there is hope for tinnitus sufferers, because I had it for over a week. Loud, man. If I would have laid down and just took it, I'd be, who knows, man. That stuff, it depresses you. It makes you very, very depressed. And like, you can't do what you want to do because all you hear is that noise in your ear. You know what I'm saying? I'm for the people, man. I don't want no money. I am gonna stick up for tinnitus sufferers. I'm gonna speak out, and this is what I plan to do. I said, you know what? I'm gonna stick up because you know what? No one's really helping anyone. They're always in it for something. I want to help everyone, and I'm gonna advocate this. So do those things. Check those things before you think of something up. Before it's just old age. Oh, also earwax buildup. They say don't use a Q-tip, and I agree with that. But you can't let the earwax sit there either. So there's got to be a way to clean it out somehow safely. You can get it done, somehow professionally. I don't know, but don't ever let that build in your ears. Don't put anything else. Don't put anything else in your ears like that's not that you think may work and it doesn't, like peroxide. Don't ever put peroxide in your ears. You say, oh, clean your ears. Don't. Very, very tender. Tender. There's little hairs inside the inner ear and things. You screw that up, just one iota. You're going to have ringing in your ears like a bell. And you're going to be just like everyone else. Why? Don't mess with that. Don't put nothing in there if you can help it. Just look at all the things that I told you. Do a chill checklist and make a checklist and make sure all those things check out. You don't have to live with this. It's curable, man. It's something you're lacking. It's something in the inner ear. It's a vitamin. It's your sleep. It's something you are missing in your body. Look it up and make a checklist and get it together. You'll get rid of that ringing in your ears, I promise. Trust me, because I had it bad and it's almost gone. If I can get rid of it, it's possible, man. Peace, love. Catch you on the flip side.